Today we are going to discuss coal and petroleum. Important points. Number of naturally occurring materials in the environment that are called natural resources. If man marks water natural resources, you should have a number of naturally occurring materials in the environment that are called natural resources. Examples: air, water, coal, petroleum. Wind energy and solar energy are also called natural resources because they are energies contained in them to do useful things. There are two types of natural resources: renewables and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources we are also called inexhaustible resources, and non-renewable resources we are also called exhaustible resources. Now, what is renewable resources? Present in the unlimited quantity in nature's sunlight. Non-renewable resources present in limited quantity in nature. Example: forest. Now, what is coal? Coal is found deep under the surface of the earth. Major coal mines found in India are Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and Odisha. The slow biochemical process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Water carbonization is the slow biochemical process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coal contains carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, many more. Hydrogens, no, not hydrogens. Types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite. Peat contains 45 to 60% coal. It is an initial stage of the formation of coal, where it is very soft and this is less calorific value, and it is brown in color. Lignite 60 to 75% of carbon. It is termed as a soft coal, and it is dark brown in color and high calorific value than peat. Bituminous 70 to 85% of carbon. It is harder than lignite, who produce very smoke, high abatement in earth crust, mostly widely used in industry as well as domestic fuel. Calorific value is very high compared to peat and lignite. It is black in color, bituminous, and anthracite is hard coal. It is a hard coal. It is very high calorific value and least polluting coal. 90% of carbon mainly used in metallurgy industry, and coke is mainly obtained from distillations of anthracite coal. Thank you. Like for part 2, I will explain in part 2 products formed by destructive distillation of coal or important points. After that completion of coal and petroleum, we are going to discuss question answers. Thank you. Please.